Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make chicken enchiladas, and for that we are going to need 1 kg of boneless chicken, and I have cut this in big chunks, more like strips, and to that we are going to add 1/3 cup of oil, cooking oil, and 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. Here we have 8 grams or 1.5 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and then you mix it well. And after mixing everything together, we should cover the chicken and let it rest for 1 hour. I'm going to cook the chicken in the air fryer for 20 minutes, and the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. You have to mix the chicken periodically in the air fryer so it doesn't get burned. And if you do not have air fryer, you can always fry your chicken in the wok on the hob for 20 to 15 minutes until it's properly cooked. Our chicken is ready, and now I'm going to shred it into small pieces with my hands. You have to press the piece of chicken with your hand, and then you can see how easy it is to pull it like that with that texture. So that's perfect. Chicken is ready. We'll put it on one side, and let's do the next bit. For the red sauce, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 100 grams chopped onions, 100 grams chopped jalapeno, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 chicken cubes, 1 tablespoon of hot chili powder, and 200 grams of tomato puree. So let's get cooking. Now I have added 5 tablespoons of plain flour and 5 tablespoons of cooking oil in this pan. And now I'm going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes on a low to medium heat, and once it's ready, then I will start to make the red sauce, and then we are going to add this in our red sauce to make it thick. Basically it works as a thickening agent. It's been 6 minutes and our flour is ready. Let's put it on one side. Let's start to cook the red sauce. Add the oil first. Onions. It has been 7 minutes since I've been cooking the onions, and now I will add the tomato puree and these slices and chicken cube. Once the tomato puree has been cooked, we will add 1 liter hot water and mix it really well. And then you add chopped jalapeno, and this plain flour which we have cooked earlier. You have to add that into your sauce and mix it properly so there are no lumps or any sort. At this point you need to keep your flame medium to low. And as you can see, it's quite thick. And now is the time that you adjust the thickness of your sauce. You can add more water to it. To adjust the thickness of the sauce, I'm going to add another 500 ml water and then mix it. All you have to do is now leave this on a medium to low heat for 10 minutes and then we will check. Our sauce is ready now, and I'm going to add some of this jalapenos vinegar in there for extra tanginess. Maybe it's almost 50 ml, and half teaspoon of black pepper, and then we are going to mix it really well. That's it. Here I have 200 grams of peppers. I had 1 large red pepper and 1 large green pepper, and I have cut them into slices, and then I'm going to chop them into small little cubes. I have chopped red and green pepper, and it is 250 grams, 2 large peppers, and 250 grams of red kidney beans. I have boiled them in salted water, and now it's time to fry both of these in 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat up the wok and add 2 tablespoons cooking oil on high flame and put all of the peppers in and stir fry them. It's been 3 minutes since we are frying the peppers. Now I'm going to add the kidney beans and 1 ladle of that red sauce which we made earlier, and mix this, and we'll see if we need more sauce for that. I'll add another ladle and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and after that we are going to put the chicken in this mixture. The chicken has gone in, and I'm going to mix it well so everything is mixed properly, and the chicken will be coated with the sauce as well. Now let it cool down a bit, and then we will add 150 grams of mozzarella cheese into this. The cheese has gone in, and we need to just mix it softly. This is the time to make our white sauce. For that I'm going to use 300 ml of sour cream, 100 grams of chopped jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and 2 chicken cubes. Let's cook. In a cooking pot, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons plain flour, and start to cook. We just need to cook the flour until it becomes aromatic. You can basically smell it, and then you know that it's cooked. Keep your flame low so that we don't burn it. It's been 2 minutes and the flour is ready. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And 2 chicken cubes in there, and mix it and try to dissolve the chicken cubes. And then we are going to add sour cream in there. Now you can keep your flame high until this thickens up. It's been 2 minutes and the roux looks ready. I will turn the flame off and let it cool down. It looks nice and creamy. When the temperature goes down, then we are going to add our sour cream in there and chopped jalapeno. Sour cream has gone in and jalapeno just combined together. And it's ready. You can taste the salt. White sauce, red sauce, and the chicken mix is ready. First of all, take some red sauce and spread it in your baking tray. And it shouldn't be too much, just a little, that our tortillas don't get stuck to the bottom of the tray. That's enough. And while we're doing this, you have to preheat your oven on gas mark 7. So it's going to be ready for us when we're done filling the tortillas. You can take as much filling as you want and put it in your wraps. It's just your personal preference. And this is how we are going to make all of our tortillas, roll them up, and put that in your baking tray on top of that red sauce. Now just roll it like so. Lift it up carefully, place it in the tray. Like that. If anything comes out, push it back in. This is how you make all of them. And pour the red sauce on top of them. Once you're done with that, then pour some of the white sauce, which you made with sour cream. Spread like that. You don't have to put too much. That's enough. And lastly, we are going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Grated mozzarella. And then you have to put it in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese looks nicely cooked. That's beautiful. Our enchiladas are ready, and I have baked them for 25 minutes instead of 20 minutes. It's ready to be served.